Maintaining sexual health and activity after the age of 50 is an essential aspect of overall well-being. According to science, various factors including diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes can significantly influence sexual vitality. Here's a guide on what to eat and what activities to engage in to support sexual health. Nutritional choices: fruits and vegetables. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables is crucial. Foods like berries, leafy greens, and citrus fruits are high in antioxidants, which help improve blood flow and circulation. Good circulation is vital for sexual function. Healthy fats. Incorporating healthy fats, such as those found in avocado, olive oil, and nuts, can improve hormone levels. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are especially beneficial for heart health, which directly impacts sexual function. Lean proteins. Lean meats, poultry, fish, and plant-based proteins like beans and legumes are vital for maintaining muscle mass and energy levels. This can help in sustaining physical activity, which is essential for a healthy sex life. Whole grains. Whole grains such as oats, brown rice, and quinoa provide sustained energy. They also help regulate blood sugar levels, which contributes to better overall health. Dark chocolate, in moderation. Dark chocolate is known to enhance libido due to its flavonoid content, which can improve circulation. Herbs and spices. Certain herbs like ginger and ginseng have been shown to improve libido and overall sexual function. Incorporating these into meals can be beneficial. Lifestyle choices. Regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity is one of the most effective ways to boost sexual health. Aerobic exercises like walking, swimming, or cycling improve blood flow and stamina. Strength training also helps maintain muscle mass and hormone levels. Stress management. Chronic stress can negatively impact libido and sexual performance. Techniques such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help manage stress levels. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for hormonal balance and overall health. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night to support sexual function. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can affect energy levels and sexual performance. Drinking enough water daily can enhance overall vitality. Limit alcohol and quit smoking. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can lead to decreased libido and erectile dysfunction. Moderation in quitting smoking can significantly improve sexual health. Regular health checkups. Regular visits to healthcare providers for checkups and screenings can help identify any underlying health issues that may affect sexual function. Conclusion: staying sexually active after the age of 50 is achievable through a combination of a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and healthy lifestyle choices. By focusing on nutritious foods and maintaining an active lifestyle, individuals can enhance their sexual health and overall quality of life. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine.